Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2019 Bobcat S770 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, talk about features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, point out anything I see, then we'll start it up, show it moving forward, backwards, turning, loader up and down, bucket in and out, kind of run it through its paces. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer, a used piece of construction or farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Your subscriptions and likes help other people who are looking for similar machines find our videos and our other machines. So like I said, this one's a 2019 Bobcat S770. Cab heat air, high flow, 2-speed, power Bobtach, sticks and pedals controls, self-leveling bucket, reverse fan, deluxe panel, radio. This one has 2,791 hours. I drove this one around a little bit ago. Everything runs good. Hydraulics are strong. Like I said, does have the power Bobtach down here. The pins up here there's a little bit of play. They're not bad, but there is just a little bit of play. Hydraulics are nice and strong. As you can see, this white paint is pretty darn bright. Actually has a very good overall appearance as far as that goes. Back behind the wheels is not all scratchy. There is some, I'll get up closer, you can kind of tell, there's a little bit of asphalt on this machine. You can see some of that black. There's a little bit of asphalt. There's a little bit of paint peeling right here. But overall, pretty nice behind there. The tires are very, very good. I'm gonna say those are 90–95%. Rims are pretty good. Same thing here. The paint is pretty good back here. As you can see, pretty bright. The back door is in good shape. It's nice and straight. No big dents or bows or anything in that back door. That top shield looks good. Everything looks good up here. Same thing over here. Again, that paint's nice and bright. It's not even really peeling like you see on a lot of them over here. Same thing on this side. Tires and rims are really good. Tires, the rim. Again, it's not all scratched up back here. There is a little bit of asphalt splatter there. I don't notice any cracks or welds or plating anywhere on the loader arms or on the back of the skid steer plate. We'll go take a look inside the engine compartment here. All right, as you can see in here, everything is nice and dry, clean. I don't see any oil or diesel running down the side here. Block's nice and dry. Actually, it's pretty dry down here in the bottom there too. Inside of the back door is in good shape. We'll go take a look inside the cab here. Again, up here, there's a little bit of asphalt splatter. The step's in good shape. It's nice and straight. The glass is in good shape. Everything's pretty nice up here. The seat's in good shape. There's no cuts or tears in that seat. Everything looks pretty good down here as well. Radio. HVAC controls here. Advanced display. Some of your controls, your power Bobtach, reverse fan, self-leveling bucket, your beacon light, 2791 on ours. Both of your sticks are in decent shape. There's a little bit of rubber peeling here, but just from those little rubber grips. All right. Everything looks good from back here. All right, like I said, this one's a 2019 S770, 2,791 hours. We'll get right into an operational video.